Having trouble activating your consumer cellular phone? It's a common issue, usually related to SIM card or account provisioning. The problem often stems from software glitches, network issues, or incorrect setup. The first step is to ensure your phone is compatible with Consumer Cellular's network. Start by doing a factory reset on your phone. Make sure your device is unlocked and you have a stable internet connection for online activation. If you're still having issues, check your SIM card is properly inserted. Double-check that you entered the SIM's ICCI and the phone's IMEI correctly on Consumer Cellular's activation portal. Make sure your account details like payment and address are correct. Most activations complete within minutes, but delays can occur. If you see no service after 24 hours, contact Consumer Cellular support. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, check your phone's APN settings and ensure it's set to CC data. You can also use Consumer Cellular's app, which has an activation wizard to diagnose and fix issues. Consider switching to eSIM if your phone supports it, as eSIMs reduce activation errors by up to 50%. Consumer Cellular plans to expand eSIM support and integrate more AI-driven diagnostics in the future for faster and easier troubleshooting. Be aware of trends like zero-touch provisioning for IoT devices. If you still have trouble activating your device, seek help on forums. Note that human intervention is still necessary for complex cases.